Hello guys, welcome to my channel once more. This is Wizard Crypto. On this very great day, I'll be making a review on a cryptocurrency platform called the VARS platform. This platform resolve issues facing the banking industry and the financial industry as well. The VARS token is all about borrowing and lending. We guys know that there are a lot of challenges in the borrowing and lending in the financial industry. For example, in the bank, it takes a lot of time for you to file up your borrowing documents for you to get loans and fund project that you want to fund, like maybe housing project or transport project or any kind of project that's you wanted to fund. The banks take a lot of time and also make a lot of charges without no refund. So the VARS token have come to use the decentralized blockchain technology to revolutionize the lending and the borrowing aspect of the banking industry. So on this note, I'll be telling you more about the VARS token, the benefits, and also the roadmap, and also the guys that built this great platform. Put a lot of technologies together, the advisors, and also the token offering. I'll be unveiling to you on the short notice. So what is VARS platform? The VARS is a decentralized application. It's a dApp running on the Tezos blockchain, and is the first dApp that is running on the Tezos blockchain. It seeks to eliminate the gap between the lenders and the borrowers of cryptocurrency and fiat. In doing so, make the cryptocurrency market conducive for both cryptocurrency and the fiat guys who are holding dollars or pounds or even yen currency. Additionally, aims at helping billions of people worldwide who do not have access to banks by providing them with the means to take advantage of the global network of lenders and borrowers available on the VARS network from the convenience of their mobile or desktop devices. Currently, the boundaries that exist in traditional banking space have made it difficult to create a middle ground between cryptocurrency, fiat, and equity. However, the VARS will break down these barriers and connect digital assets, equity, and fiat in ways that were previously deemed impossible. This will result in the creation of more global connections and empowerment of individuals to take control of their financial destiny at any given time. How this VARS Tezos peer-to-peer blockchain funding works, I'll be explaining to you now. The VARS seeks to encourage its account holders to borrow fiat and crypto through the use of tokens collateral. Initially, VARS token and Tezos, the STZ, which is already on the coin market, the native token of the toys, will be the only accepted collateral. In the future, Bitcoin and various altcoins will be added on the VARS platform. Once a borrower posts a loan, smart contract is created by the platform and the loan is recorded on the Tezos blockchain ledger. Ledger will be then have the chance to bid on different funding opportunities depending on the interest rate. In cases where the lender wants to fund the loan at higher interest rates, they can do so and earn higher interest rates. The loan repayment by the borrower will be through the tokens of the VARS platform. VARS automatically issue users with a fiat and crypto wallet once they sign up on the platform. And this way you can sign up on this platform. This is the white paper. So I'll be telling you more about the benefits about this fiat platform too as we go down below this website. So let's move down. Why you choose the VARS token? That is safe and secure. These are the benefits. It's safe, also taxes or risk free funding. So with the VARS platform, you can minimize the cost of the charges you normally have on banking in the banking industry or the financial institutes that borrow you money or lend you money at any given time. So through this VARS platform, you can save taxes. Your funds are secure in a very good ecosystem. One of the reasons why you should also participate on the currently going on the ICO is that the working protocol is already in progress. Initial investors token locked for 1 year. That is those guys that bought the ICOs, so they won't have no reason to go and dump the coin. The team token invested over 2 years. The mobile application is already in progress, developed by great blockchain developers, and other tech industry that came together to integrate their technology on the VIAS platform. The initial fund is already received. Conversation with Fiat partners is already on board. The first major dApp on Tezos, that is the first major dApp network on the Tezos ecosystem, is fully decentralized, unlike other centralized boards that is being controlled just by one person. But this one is not controlled by anybody, but everybody has the right to control his or her resources on the VIAS ecosystem. It's a full-time developers that is already on board with this great platform. They have a lot of experience on the blockchain industry and also on the Internet of Things, so they came together to build this VIAS platform so that lending and borrowing will be a thing of the past. For documents, if you want to download the white paper, you just come here and click on here. You have the yellow paper, and also message to the world is already on this particular button. So if you click on this, it will finally download for you. This is the video that is already on. You can play this video at your own convenience and see how this cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the financial industry. The VIAS utility is provided decentralized funding platform, connecting its users and acting on a conduit between the crypto sphere and fiat currency. That is borrowing fiat by collateral crypto, lend fiat as higher rates of interest, customize your loans, no middleman required. That is, on this particular one, you don't need any middleman for you to take loan on the network. So with your collateral that you've used on the platform, like the Tezos collateral you've placed on the smart contract of the VIAS, so you can actually get loan without no middleman. No credit check is being required on this particular great platform. So this is the roadmap. Like I told you again, the concept development was 2014, so it's a long time investment, and it's not just a pump and dump kind of a cryptocurrency platform that just innovated on the year 2018, but this thing came 2014. So to tell you that it has been a work in progress. Our market research has been on 2015, 2016 was capitalization of the VIAS ecosystem. 2019 was the real estate based funding, that is the title transfer, the asset based funding, the prototype, and the engagement of the teams. So the utility token these are it to be distributed, 35% public say, 25% early contributors, and 15% private say. These are all how the token will be shared. 50% for team, and bounties 5%, and the founders is just only 5%. So tell you they are not greedy, so they are giving everybody opportunity to invest their time and resources. These are the great guys that put these great works together. Peter Meronek is the CEO of this great platform. We also have Tejinder is the CEO. We also have our CTO here, as Steven Andrews. So we also have other great guys. Our advisor Steve Austin is a great man that has a lot of experience on the blockchain industry, and the Kirkland also have great experience on the blockchain industry. He came together with a lot of ideas to make sure that this VIAS token is most successful cryptocurrency within the coin market this year 2019 and beyond. Guys, this for you to get more info, you can follow us on the Facebook. Click on this button. GitHub, we're also already on Reddit. Telegram, we have large huge amount of people already on Telegram. These are great communities. We're also on Twitter and YouTube. For you to get more direct email from this great platform, just send an email to this particular email address. You will get a quick response because of the teams that are working 24 hours, and we make sure that this project is well delivered to everyone on the crypto space. Guys, this is one of the best projects I've ever seen this year 2019. Guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel, and please do, and also if you have any inquiry about this review, please drop your comment. I will reply as soon as possible. Stay cool, guys.